Business owners, are near and dear to my heart. Having been a serial entrepreneur, I understand the problems that business owners face, and especially when they're talking about cash flow and then the IRS. And many of my clients, in the past, myself included, like to take a tax-free loan from the government by not paying payroll taxes that they've collected or should have paid over to the government. And that is a slippery slope. Don't do it. I'll tell you this, I'll tell you from experience. It's a very bad problem, especially if you're keeping the money that you should have collected from your employees, or did in fact collect from your employees, and then didn't pay it over. The government doesn't like that very much at all, because you're essentially stealing from the employees and the government. So the first problem, in fact, the major problem that business owners get into is not paying over payroll taxes or withholding taxes. And the problem with that is those are not dischargeable in bankruptcy. You cannot get rid of them that way. Even if the business folds, they can come after you personally for the debt. So even if it's a business debt, if you're the responsible party, they're going to come after you for it, and that is not dischargeable in a bankruptcy. So it has to be dealt with somehow, either through an installment agreement or an offer in compromise. But you can't let that slip out of control, because if it does, it's a nightmare.